Welcome to beautiful Palm Beach Gardens. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert here in South Florida, and today we're stepping inside Artistry in Palm Beach, one of the most exclusive gated communities where luxury living meets modern design. Artistry isn't just a neighborhood, it is a lifestyle investment in one of the most desirable areas of Palm Beach County, and it is nearly sold out with only a few homes remaining. So if you are considering a move to South Florida and want a behind-the-scenes look at the finest new construction communities, you are in the right place. Let's take a tour and see what makes Artistry Palm Beach unlike anywhere else. So this is their Michelangelo, which is the largest single-story model available in Artistry. It's been designed with nearly 3,000 square feet under air and a split 3-car garage offering more space and a luxury fit and finish. This 3-bedroom plan delivers a wealth of built-in features and a highly customizable design for those seeking unparalleled comfort and sophistication. Through its double-door entry, the home welcomes you and your guests with high-volume ceilings to enjoy its spacious open main living space centered around its large gourmet kitchen. The island overlooks an expansive dining and great room, kept light and bright by large windows and an oversized triple slider leading out to a spacious covered lanai, and a backyard offering plenty of room for a pool. The master suite provides an impressive space and comes complete with a spa-like master bath, a massive walk-in closet, creating a private retreat in the rear of the home. For entertainers, you can impress your guests and keep your wine collection close at hand by optioning Suite 3 into a den with a wine room like you'll see here. And for families looking for more bedrooms, the clubroom can be optioned into a 4th bedroom with an ensuite bath. And residents of Artistry enjoy a private clubhouse featuring a cutting-edge fitness center with a yoga and aerobic studio, a heated resort-style pool for swimming and socializing, and Artistry Palm Beach also boasts ample green spaces, tranquil walking trails, and outdoor areas ideal for relaxation, fitness, and community events. Centrally located by I-95, Alton Town Center, the Gardens Mall, golf and local beaches, with Palm Beach International Airport being just 20 minutes away, Artistry has the last opportunity for newly built homes in the heart of Palm Beach Gardens. Thinking about making a move to Palm Beach? Whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your relocation and new construction expert, and let's find your dream home together. Thank you for joining me on this tour of one of Palm Beach's most exclusive new construction communities. These luxury homes are more than just beautiful designs, they're about creating a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and privacy here in South Florida. If you're considering a move to Palm Beach and want expert guidance on securing the perfect new construction home, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. My job is to simplify the process, give you insider access, and make sure you find a home that truly fits your vision. Be sure to subscribe for more luxury home tours across South Florida, and if this home feels like the right fit, all of my contact information is here. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert, and I will see you on the next tour.